Hey, welcome to SIG Digitalization demonstration today. I'm joined with Mr. Donald, who is our senior software engineer as well as the manager for the applications team. Donald has over 25 years of experience in software development, so we're going to grill him with a lot of software questions. So, Donald, welcome.
Yeah, thanks.
So, I've been hearing about SIG AppSpace. What is SIG AppSpace? And you have worked with a lot of different customers, our customers, of course, on the other side. Now that if you have AppSpace, would you have done something different?
Yeah, AppSpace is not only a tool but also an ecosystem. So it has a integrated development system, also with some tools like the libraries in the website called AppPool, and also we have a lot of samples in the GitHub. So we can use the AppSpace to develop some vision, label checker, and all kinds of applications.
Oh, that's excellent, Donald. Some of the challenges that I've seen with the customers asking us, how do I get more value from sensor data? Do you think AppSpace can play a role in extracting value from sensor investment for customers?
Yes, AppSpace actually add value to the sensor investments because you can write a lot of applications on top of that. And for example, the LADA and the label checker and the vision, you can customize your applications and do whatever you want.
Oh, that sounds very interesting. Previously, what used to be a complex gateway and a processing now can be compressed inside the sensor. That's very good to know. So, Donald, you lead our software development teams as well. So, what kind of custom projects do you get involved in?
Yeah, we deal with a bunch of customers. Mainly is on food industries and mining industry here in Australia. For example, there are some vision and label checkers and more RFIDs coming up.
Very good. Very good.
Customers are using RFID to check everything, like the animals and all the pallets and all the stuff.
I'm glad that you said RFID because I'm very passionate about it. So we're going to go and look at some of the demonstrations in our digital services catalog. Let's go in there. Now we're going to look at our digital services catalog. So you have access to the catalog through the cloud.sig.com URL, and the access to the catalog is restricted to your SIG ID account, which is the same username and password that you would be using when you access our e-commerce store. So digital services catalog lists the number of digital services that is currently offered through our cloud services. So the cloud services is hosted either in Amazon Web Services or Azure, depending on the choice of the cloud that you have, and it is protected by our end-to-end encryption and single sign-on capability. So in the digital services catalog, you have the tiles that you're seeing is the services that I have subscribed to. So you may have a different view of the subscription depending upon how much services that you're subscribed. But also on the bottom, you have the available services that you can subscribe into. So I will open up one of the available services and see if we could subscribe. This service is called as the Function Block Factory. There's a quick description of what the Function Block Factory services is. The Function Block Factory allows you to create custom function blocks for any of our or competitor IO-Link devices for a number of different PLCs or field devices that we support, which includes most of the Siemens, Beckhoff, Rockwell Automation, Bosch and Festo system. If you are interested in the Function Block Factory, please reach out to our sales team and we will be more than happy to provide you access to the Function Block Factory. While I also have other services that I have subscribed. So one of the services that I could open is the asset management demo. Before I open the asset management demo, you have an icon which says, what is this service about? This service is about managing assets across multiple warehouses so you can optimize the asset. It uses the RFID technology, so we provide an end-to-end offering with respect to RFID while capturing the data in the field using our gateway product to transmit the data to the cloud and use data analytics to provide the reporting that you wanted. So as an example, asset tracking and management software is developed based on this principle. Because this is a demo offering, there is a subscription for $0 value because it's demo and free. But if it's a paid plan, you would be listed with the value of the service, and you have the option to subscribe and unsubscribe at any time. So that is the beauty of the digital services catalog. It's a true software as a service offering. You have the option to subscribe and unsubscribe at any point in time. Likewise, we have other digital services offering. We have machine performance demo monitoring. I can go into the detail of what this is. This is about managing the machine efficiency and providing the transparency to your operators. Be it in your head office or within the factory, you should be able to calculate overall equipment efficiencies, production line monitoring, etc., all the metrics that you may want to see. Again, this is a service that we provide so that you can have a digital twin representation of your physical machines. I also have some customers who are using our services, which is limited to the customers, so I won't be opening them as an example. What we have also done is we have a lot of sensor technologies that we use in our outdoor technology center. This is a center that runs out of our headquarters in Germany, where we test our sensors. Now, all that data is now coming into the cloud offering, so we can monitor the conditions of these devices. So that is a great tool for our R&D team and the product development team. They can look at the data dynamically and make some product decisions. Again, something that we use before we even sell it to customer. Moving on, I have other platforms as well in the cloud. I have SICK Live Connect. This is a production quality software allowing you to connect the sensor data to the cloud. Again, to go a little technical about this offering, we use a secure handshake end-to-end encryption between the sensor devices, the gateway, onto our cloud. Also, this allows for us to aggregate multiple sensor data and provide a seamless connectivity between your sensor network and the cloud offering. And a last offering that I want to explain is our SICK Asset Hub. This is a free tool that's available for everybody. So if you're interested to log into Asset Hub, please feel free to do it. The URL for the Asset Hub is assethub.cloud.sick.com, and you should be able to use your regular e-commerce username and password. So the Asset Hub allows you to catalog all of your sensors either with SICK or with third party and catalog them. So you could see the consent check failed. I want to explain what the consent check is. Being a European company, we are compliant with GDPR, data privacy regulation, which means all the services that we offer has to be explicitly given consent for the data to be shared. So that's why this particular check has been failed. So if I'm able to go back and rectify this, then I should be able to access the data. Likewise, this is a very important tool, especially when you're sharing data in the cloud. You want to make sure that the local privacy regulations are met, and we are able to do that to meet GDPR or other local regulations. So hopefully this should have given you a good briefing on our digital services offering, along with SICK AppSpace and SICK integration space. We are certainly transforming and streamlining our Industry 4.0 offering. Hopefully, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I should be available during the conference and throughout the day. Thank you.